Question number 4. Refer to the circle graph in exercise 2, which is the circle graph on secondary languages. How many more students are scheduled to take Spanish than French? So we're going to need to figure out how many students are scheduled to take Spanish. So we have 34%, so that would be 34 over 100 is equal to part over whole. We are looking for the part of students who are going to take Spanish, and our total students, we remember from question 2, is 300. Now you know that we can solve our proportion by finding our cross product and then dividing by 100 to isolate our variable. We can also use the fact that they are equivalent ratios. So we can see to get from 100 to 300 we multiplied by 3, so we can do 34 times 3 to get to the answer. So 34 times 3, 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10, so we get 102. So 102 students are taking Spanish. We also need to figure out how many students are taking French. So for French, we'll have 20%, 20 over 100 equals part over total, x over 300. Again, to get from 100 to 300, we multiply by 3. 20 times 3, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, is going to give me 60. So 60 students are scheduled to take French. Now the question says, how many more students are scheduled to take Spanish than French? So I need to subtract. Number of students that are going to take Spanish is 102. Number of students that are scheduled to take French is 60. So I will subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. I need to borrow, make the 10 a 9. 9 minus... Okay, sorry about that. I do not need to borrow, so let me get rid of that. We have Spanish minus French. 2 minus 0 is 2, and 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer of how many more students are scheduled to take Spanish than French is 42.